Now, let me show you how we can turn off the quick notes on your Mac computer. Because, of course, if we go to the notes right in here in the left panel, we definitely have the quick notes. But the point is that we most likely just want to disable the action. Like when I go to the bottom corner, the quick note gets shown to me, right? And I can drag it in here and have quick access to the quick notes, right? And if you don't want that, you can actually disable it inside of the settings like this when you proceed to the desktop and a dock. And at the bottom in here, you can find a section which is called hot corners. So the hot corners is what we need to click on, and it is essentially what happens when you quickly go to each corner of your Mac screen, right? So if I go to the top left corner, it goes to the mission control, right? If I go to the top right corner, it goes to application and window. And if I go to the bottom right, it creates the quick note. And we essentially want to change it from this to something else. So obviously you can pick from any of other options, but you can simply leave it blank like this and hit it done. And then now whenever you go to the bottom right corner of your screen, nothing is really going to happen anymore. So that's nice. You can see we don't have the quick access to it anymore, but as I said, it still means that we have the quick notes saved and you can still add them in the Notes app. So that's going to be about it for me. I hope that I was able to explain it properly. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.